Bugging out means leaving your home as fast as you can in order to escape a disaster. A bug out bag is a bag that contains items you might need in the event of an emergency. It's also called a survival kit. Some reasons you might need a bug out bag are if there's a natural disaster, such as an earthquake or hurricane. You may also need to leave your home quickly if it catches on fire or floods. They're also important for more ordinary emergencies like car accidents or power outages. The average person should have a bug out bag that will last 3 days to 1 week. That means your backpack needs to be stocked with at least 7 days worth of supplies, which vary in cost and weight depending on the type of emergency you're preparing for. Here's a list that we've put together to help you get started. A tent, tarp or hammock, a first aid kit, water or water bottle. You want enough water purification tablets, a stove, and cookware for food preparation, as well as toilet paper and personal hygiene products. Food and snacks, a map since your phone may not work, flashlight and batteries, extra clothing including underwear and socks. You'll need at least 1 complete change of clothes, but 2 is recommended. This is just a quick list to get you started. The key, however, is to get started. Be prepared, as the Boy Scouts say. We live in a part of the country where we always run the risk of having to evacuate, or worse, being caught in an unexpected flood and trapped in our own home. Be safe, get ready, and rest easy.